What is up, you guys? What is freaking up? I hope you guys all are having an incredible day. Because if you're not, you're about to, okay? You're stepping into some good vibes over here, okay? And also, my hair is looking so vibrant these days, and I'm gonna tell you guys why later on in the video. You guys are gonna wanna stick around. We got some tea, and the tea looks like this. So stay tuned. Before I get into that, we have a fun video. We have a thrift haul, okay? We're bringing it back. We have a cozy home decor haul. I am so excited to be doing this video because I have accumulated quite a few really cool pieces from the thrift store. You know, we're taking it back. We're doing a thrift store haul because I've actually had some of these items for a while, and every time I see them, I'm like, I need to show my people what I got. Like, they just need to know, you know? As I'm looking at everything that I have in front of me, it's all very cozy and like cottagey, because that's kind of the direction of my house that I want to go with, is like more cottagey and cozy and that kind of vibe. So I have a range of different things, but everything is home decor, and I'm super excited because that is something that I'm very passionate about, is filling my home with cute things that are cozy and, you know, just have a little bit of a history to it. That's why I love thrifting things, because everything just feels like there's a story behind it rather than, I don't know, like I love going to Target and buying something from Target, but there's a different energy that comes with thrifted things. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys everything that I accumulated, starting off with this cute little pillow. And it's actually very similar to the other pillow that I thrifted, that I hauled a while ago, but this one has cute little pink roses, and it's just nice and full, and it looks very new. I just like all the little details, and it looks like it's been like quilted, so I really like this look. And I might end up putting it on my bed with the other one. Otherwise, I will put it downstairs in the living room, but I thought this was so cute. So next up, I found this super cute lamp, and it's made out of marble. It's super heavy, and it's so amazing. Like, I've been keeping an eye out for one just like this, so when I saw it on Facebook Marketplace, I messaged the lady right away and went and picked it up, and it was only $15, and it had come with a different lampshade, but then I found this one while I was thrifting, and I just put it on this, and it honestly like fits perfectly. So definitely recommend finding lamps secondhand, because just look at this one. Like, I love this marble, and it really doubles as decor. I feel like in the past I didn't think of lamps as necessarily like decor. I thought it was just more functional, but this is a statement. She says a lot just by being her, you know? So segueing to some kitchen items, I found this super cute pitcher. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, I'm pretty sure I posted it on there when I found it. But I just love it because it just screams autumn. This just feels like something Martha Stewart would have in her kitchen, and she would just like make delicious drinks and serve them to her guests. And that's kind of what I'm gonna be trying to do myself. I'm basically the Midwest Martha Stewart, if I can say so myself. Like, I did post a Martha Stewart thirst trap on my Instagram without even knowing it. So yeah, my sister called me out. She was like, this is giving Martha Stewart thirst trap, and I was like, excuse me? And then I looked up the receipts, and I was like, that's literally me. Like, what's going on? Just call me Martha Stewart, because I'm gonna be serving up some cocktails. It says it's from 1990, and I can't make out the name of it, but I love when things have dates. Like, if I find something at the thrift store that has a date on it that says 19 something, like, I will get it. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm just a vintage girly. Okay, moving on. I got these three, actually I got 4 of them, but I only brought up 3 of them. These cute little jars. This one is the bigger one, but I thought these were so precious. I actually found these at a flea market, and I fell in love with them. especially because it came with a set of 4, and I've been looking for just some jars that I can store like pasta, rice, you know, anything like that. I just want to have more of like a cute storage. It just has like these little like flowers on it. And I actually don't remember how much I bought these for, but definitely got a deal. We bartered a little bit. We said, will you take the, I think it was like $15. Maybe it was like originally 20, and I was like, will you take 15? Like, I don't know, flea markets, it's all every man for themselves. Next up, I found this little platter situation thing, and I got this specifically to put my olive oil and salt and pepper in, like right next to my oven, because I had them there already, and it just like, it felt like it needed something, like they needed their own little home. So I found this, and it works perfectly. They fit nicely in here. I will say I want to get an olive oil little container. Like, I'll go to people's houses, and if I see that they have an olive oil container with like the little spout, I'm like, okay, they have their entire life together. Like, they're doing something right. So that's the next thing that I want to try to find. I want to find a really cool, unique one, and then I can just get my own little spout. That's like something else that's on my thrift list. So eventually I will get my life together, so stay tuned for that. I thought this was really cute. This was $3, and I don't even really know what's on here. We have a pumpkin, we have some cherries, we have some pears. Like, we got it all.
Let's take a quick break, and I'm going to tell you guys about today's sponsor, Glaze, and they just released a new product called Glaziplex, and this is a super bond repair treatment. I've used this a few times, and I have noticed a huge difference. Even just after the first time you use it, you see incredible results. And one of my favorite parts is that you can just have this in your shower, so when you're shaving your legs, you know, you can just lather this up in your hair. You use this in replacement of your conditioner, and then you're left with beautiful, shiny hair. I'm honestly so impressed, because just 4 minutes in the shower, and then your hair can look like this. Like, yes, please. So if you guys are needing a little refresh to your hair, I definitely suggest Glaziplex. Give it a try. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, with that said, let's get back into the video.
So moving on, we have some plates, you guys. Like, it really wouldn't be a haul from me if I didn't get plates. They're just so easy to thrift, and they're so cute. So look at this one, you guys. This one has strawberries on it. Physically couldn't not put this in my cart. Do you know what I mean? Let me know in the comments. If you guys saw this at the thrift store, would you immediately put it into your cart, or would you just simply look at it and then walk away? I personally couldn't leave this behind. So like, that's on me. And then I have another one that has peaches. Wait, no. Pears? I definitely like the strawberry one better, but I had to get them both. I couldn't just like separate them, because they just have to stick together, you know? I don't know what it is about fruit on plates that just does something for me. I'll never know the true inner workings of what this actually does for me. It's just too cute, you guys. Like, okay, I don't have to justify myself, but I feel like I need to, because just kidding, I don't even know what's happening. Next up, I got 2 more plates. These ones are the same, but again, like, I just couldn't, they're twins. Like, these ones are identical twins, couldn't separate them. And then these ones are fraternal, oh my god. It's paternal, right? But why am I thinking it's fraternal? I should probably know that. But we're gonna move on. But yeah, these ones are so fun too. I love the design of it. Just a nice little cake plate. You can't go wrong. And you really can't have too many. Final answer, you can't have too many plates, because guess what? Plates are always gonna be a thing. We're always gonna need a plate. We're always gonna need to eat. So why not have a plethora of plates? Like, you have sometimes 3 meals a day. Why not have as many plates as you want? So that's my philosophy. Speaking of plates, I have another one. This one is actually so cute. You guys, look at this. Look at this little wanderer. She is on a mission. She's on a journey. She's on a journey to find more plates. And the person in this is actually me. This is me. Although I don't wear hats, so maybe this isn't me. Although I mean, maybe this is like future me where I do wear hats. And then we get to the point of the video where I actually don't know what I'm talking about. So then we have to reel it back in and just accept the fact that I am still talking about plates. This was $1.49. That's all. That's really, I have to move on. Next up, we have one of my new favorite mugs. I saw this and I said, that's my name. Nice to meet you. I'm Rich. I actually thrifted one of these for my friend Fran, and she was very happy to receive this, so I figured I need one as well. So underneath the name it says the meaning, and it says determined. Yes, that is me. You seem to have what it takes to succeed, to make big decisions and stay in the lead. When faced with obstacles, you show your power. With your firm resolve, you're the man of the hour. Hell yeah. Your determination and will to endure keep you strong and unbending, steadfast and secure. That is me. So while I'm drinking my coffee, I'm just saying some affirmations. You know, I am rich. I am secure. I am firm. I am steadfast, okay? So, yeah, moral of the story, get a mug that says your name. This was $1.50 from Goodwill. Thank you guys for coming to my TED Talk. Next up, we have a cute little shelf. I like the little scallop detail, and the fact that it's red caught my eye, and I could obviously paint it, but I do like the red. So we'll see where I can put this. I don't know exactly where, but I thought it was precious. Next up, I found these little candlesticks, and it's kind of random to show, but I love getting candlesticks secondhand because they're so much cheaper. They're from Pottery Barn, and they're just like these tiny little candles. Maybe for my niece's 3rd birthday, I can like do cute little candles that are tall. There's just like something like whimsical and cute about them being like skinny and tall. And speaking of candles, I got this cute little candle holder, and I thought this was so fun. I figured this would be cute either on a shelf or on a stack of books, but I thought this was so cozy. Next up, I found the cutest book, and it's Little Women. Okay, so this is a Little Women book, and how precious is this cover? It is so cool. And you guys, this is dated. It's from 1950, and it's actually somebody's Christmas present from 1950. Like, does it get any better? Merry Christmas to Susie from Aunt Jin. Like, it's so cute, and it has like colored pictures. This is an artifact. Like, I'm not even like joking. Like, this is so cool. It's so fun. So I've actually never read Little Women. I've obviously seen the movie, know the story, but I've never actually read it. Look at this typography. It's so beautiful. But I thought it would be so fun to read this during Christmas time, and just like reading it from this book, I feel like will hold so much magic in it, because like imagine somebody from the 1950s reading this as a Christmas present. Just like, there's just something magical about that. That's why you always have to check the book section, because you can just find the coolest books. And yeah, this is such a fun book to style too. So I'm excited about that. Before I go, I wanted to remind you guys about the Glaze Glaziplex. Thank you to them for sponsoring this video. And if you guys want to test out a new amazing product that I have seen amazing results from. I will leave this link down below. It's a great time to get a restoring treatment product for your hair because the seasons are changing. I feel like everything's drier now. So if you guys want to liven up your hair, definitely check out Glazyplex. So I'll leave that linked down below. And that is it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.